iPhone 13 mass production set to begin in India from February. This matters because typically in India, you're manufacturing different generation of phones from the latest one. It would come a little bit later. And I mean, I don't remember the last time I reported on a story like this, but you would have like the iPhone SE at one point, and then it was going to be the previous generation flagship. But now you're seeing the 13 making its way to the Foxconn factory in Chennai, reports the Economic Daily News. The plans come following a reported improvement of semiconductor supply in the region, as well as a successful trial production run of the 6.1-inch iPhone 13 by Foxconn. So they do these trial runs, Will.
Yeah.
And I see where they're at. They're like, okay, you guys knocked that out of the park. These look great. We're going to do 100,000 more.
Yeah. Do some 13s.
I don't know if it's 100,000. Mass production is set to start in February, and the Foxconn plant is expected to directly supply the local domestic market as well as shore up overseas demand, with 20 to 30% of iPhones produced in India earmarked for export. So you can get yourself potentially, and I don't know which regions these will be exported to, but potentially you could get your hands on one of these India-produced iPhones even in other regions.
At a cheaper price, right?
No.
No? It's not double the price of...
Yeah, well, domestically, they get to skip the tariffs.
Yeah.
But I was saying the ones that were exported, like you could be in Europe somewhere and get an Indian-produced iPhone. You would pay the same price as you would for... Now, I don't know which countries they're specifically exporting these ones to. Probably wherever they have certain business advantages, tax advantages, et cetera. You know, they're in the business of making money.
Sure.
And they'll find whatever benefits they can. Wait, go back just one quick second. I just want to see the bottom paragraph. A report earlier in the year said Taiwanese Apple supplier Pegatron would share iPhone 13 mini orders with Foxconn in India, producing the smallest model at its factory in Chennai. Okay, so Apple will make nearly 70% of iPhones sold in the country locally. So mostly it's going to be domestic iPhones with a little small percentage for export. And maybe it seems like the popularity of the iPhone 13 mini, not enormous. Maybe that freed up a little bit of bandwidth over there to just do the regular iPhone 13. Anyway.